All right. I've had this cough for like 2 weeks, but I feel fine. I can't stop coughing. Anyways, 2 songs left. This week, Dirty Little Thing. Next week, Loving the Alien. Then that's it. Then we might have to do a different record. What record could it be? Yeah, so, oh man, tired. Never mind. Kids, never leave your coffee cup right next to your laptop because that could be a bad thing. This week, Dirty Little Thing, couple funny things I remembered. Number one is, this is the only song on the record that was written before I was in the band. When the band first got together, it was with Duff, Slash, and Matt, and they had played this benefit with Keith Nelson and Josh Todd from Buck Cherry. And then that felt good to them, and then they kind of started writing songs like that was the band. And then Josh left after a couple months, and then Keith left. But I guess when Keith was still in the band, they wrote this song. And then there was actually a lawsuit about the song, which didn't affect me because I didn't write on it. I remember we were making the video for this song, the one that's on the train, and I remember there was drama. That was the first video. It was the third single, but it was really like the first one where there was like inner band drama going on, and I remember Matt got upset about something, and he walked to his trailer at one point during the video, and he accidentally hit his head, I think, going into the trailer, so he had a big gash on his forehead. So then we couldn't do the video anymore unless it was close-ups, because he had the big gash on his head, and we had already filmed all this stuff. So he had to actually go back a different day, and they had to remake that whole setup, and then he had to play drums by himself, and then they cut it in and made it look like he was there the whole time. Yeah, so Dirty Little Thing. Let's go. So before we start, really, this whole song is just standard tuning, mostly bar chords. So basically, I'm just, the main part of the song is just open E, G, so that's how you play it. In the pre-chorus, I'm going bar chord, and then I'm putting in a flat 5 right here. So I'm going from this to this. So then to the D chord, then the sus. Is that a sus? I don't even know if sus. I just made that up. That's pretty much it. All the rest is just bar chords. And here we go. Flat 5. So the only little lick I do is, so the pre-chorus right into it goes, so it's just the these 2 notes on the G and the B, 7th fret. Here comes the lick. F. F sharp. That's what you get for goofing around. So there you go. Dirty Little Thing. I mean, it's pretty. I don't want to say basic. It's funny when I break down these songs and the parts to me seem very simple, but yet the total, the sum of the parts makes some pretty great songs. I just love that open G chord. You know, it's kind of the standard open cowboy G chord is this. But I just kind of deadening this A string. It doesn't have that major third in it. And it's just it always sounds so big to me. Love that G chord. That's it. Also, this week starts the giveaway for the 20th anniversary edition of Contraband with the extra songs on it. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned. We're not on TV. Pay attention for that contest, and you will get free records if you win. Okay. Thank you. See ya. Thanks again. Goodbye.